friends! I just got my Scarlet Lime Planner Society February kit in the mail, and I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for you. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I love Planner Society kits. They're so beautiful and just totally my style. Oh, the pinkness in this cute bag. I'm addicted to bags. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is a very functional bag. Oh, the zipper pull. It's a heart. Cute. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, that's the right way. So it has this mesh pocket here, pin holders and such. And then the bottom part where you can store things, and it's a boxy type bag. Oh, I can't wait to fill this up. And this is super cool because I needed something small like this to put planner things in on the go. That's so cute. And then here she is, the beautiness. Okay, Planner Society sticker. Oh, this paper is so gorgeous. I love it. I'm just gonna take this and carefully do this because sometimes I like to use this paper for things. I mean, you just have to use it. It's so beautiful. There we go. Oh, I'm so happy. I love, love, love these kits. This is only the second one I've ever got, so I'm still pretty new. The washi tape. Oh, it's so pretty. I love all the flowers. And here we have some clips, paper clips. Oh, they're really pretty. So it's a pom-pom and a charm. Oh, cute. Oh, and this one is a rosebud. Oh, so cute. I like the gray too. Oh, cute, cute. And then here's a stamp. The girl with her flower basket, her summer hat. Oh, I love this. Love. Oh, yay, this pin. Oh, this is probably my favorite pin ever. This is my first pen with a jewel on the top. Oh, it's going to be so cute in my planner. Oh, I love it. I need like some beautiful music playing here. It's just so gorgeous, and it's a twist. Oh, I love this so much. This seriously brings me happiness into my life. Oh my gosh. Okay, and here we have the die cuts. Let's check these out. Oh, that's pretty too, the yellow. Okay. Oh, cuteness. Look at the wood chunk, and it's like the decor that you would put in the center of your table. Love. Love, love. Flowers. Oh, this ladder. Oh, my goodness, so cute. Wait, is that upside down? No, it goes that way. Oh, cute. The summer hat with flowers. And there's that girl again in a die cut. Oh, there's three girls with different skin tones. Oh, this chair. I have a picture in my home just like this. Oh, cute. Bird cage. Oh my gosh. A flower basket. A stack of books or planners probably. Flower jar with flowers. You just can't have enough flowers in your life. You just can't. They just bring joy and happiness. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, beautiful. And mugs. You can't ever have enough mugs. And then these tags here. Oh, these are fun because you could use these for real gift tags if you wanted to. Start. Do all things with kindness. Don't forget to be awesome. Today was a good day. Planner girl. Oh, so pretty. Love, love. Okay, now these papers. One thing that is so fun about the Planner Society kit is they come with a lot of papers that you can be crafty and creative with. And they're double-sided. Bonus! So they're gorgeous and they coordinate, they go together so you can really be creative. Oh, that one's so pretty. Be creative. And all of the coordinating and matching is already done for you. I love that. And then this gorgeous, oh, that is so beautiful. That is definitely going in my planner. Like, can you imagine? It's folded as a dashboard. Love. How many times am I gonna say love? Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And then here's two of these, or let's see. Okay, so one of this, like the crinkly type of paper here. And then, oh my goodness, I love that. So pretty, the color of this. Makes me smile, makes me happy. And then we have these wood letters. These are so cool. You can put these anywhere. I can imagine, like, if you were a card maker and making your own cards, these would be so useful. You could even string one of these onto a gift card. Like, use a little piece of string. It could hang there. Oh, see, the creativeness starts coming when I see all this. And then these are the page tabs, dividers, and the letters. These are stickers, and they are pink this time. Oh, cute. And these are also coordinating with the papers and the whole kit. And then, oh, these look like bookmarks. I've got to open this up. Just have to. Like, seriously, her kits are just filled so much stuff. Yes, so these can be bookmarks or whatever you want. These are very, very sturdy and stiff, and they're a glossy. Oh, the bows, so pretty. The teacups. I am a tea drinker. And a bigger and bigger. Okay, so yeah, there's bigger ones and smaller ones. Oh my goodness. Love, so fun, so beautiful. And then these are little pocket things. Let's see, let's open these, guys. I try to kind of go quickly here because your time is valuable to me, and I know you don't have an hour to watch one of these. I don't. Oh my goodness, these are cool. So there's nothing on the back. This is like a shimmery, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but this is a shimmery paper. So it has this here as a pocket. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And then this pink one is, oh, this opens up, oh, this way. This opens up this way, and then there's the pocket here. And this is also a shimmery paper. Oh, this gray one is beautiful. This looks like a envelope, but it's really not. And then there's the pocket there. Oh, these pockets are cool. I've never had these before. And then there's the Post-it note. Gorgeous. And then let's see what's in this last bag. I don't want it to end. It's like opening up Christmas. The stickers. The stickers. Oh, they're so cute. I just love how everything is matching. Oh, this is so fun. I can't wait to create with my Planner Society February 2018 planner kit. And even if you're not a planner, you can still use these for so many different things. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, I'm dying over this one and the chair. Oh, and I love them all. So gorgeous. Those girls, I love them. This makes me so happy, and I can't wait to dig in and start planning for next month. I love this. It's so fun. If you have never bought a kit, I would highly recommend the Planner Society kit because you get so much for your money and so many different varieties of things you can do. And here's the stem. Oh, and the bag. There it is. So beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you grabbed one of these February kits because you will not be disappointed. It is gorgeous, and seeing these actually in real life, it is different than seeing it on a picture or in a video. They are just absolutely stunning. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Have a great day. Bye.